After multiple coins break out of their patterns, Matic is going against the grain and actually rising up. But it does have to break soon. The only question is which direction and where is it going? Here are my thoughts on that. Hey everyone, my name's Jake. I'm with Trade Confident, and today I'll be covering some fundamental and technical analysis for Matic. If you like this video, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe down below. We provide daily content and education, and it really helps our channel grow. We're working hard to bring better content every single day. If you want to know where to get the metrics and indicators, all the links can be found down below in the description. I'll be providing more information on that at the end of the video. Let's get started. The next step in Polygon's sustainability journey, Green Blockchain Summit. Now, if everyone remembers a few months back, there was kind of a major fiasco. It was a big thing for Bitcoin and crypto in general. A lot of people felt that Bitcoin was not energy efficient, was using too much energy. My opinion is like the less energy we can use for crypto, the better. The more green, the more we can sustain the environment, the better. Keeping that in mind, it's also banks use so much more energy than Bitcoin ever could. That's just my personal opinion. So I don't see it as a terribly valid argument, but I understand that, and I do want to see as much green energy. I want to see sustainability in any sector, not just crypto. My personal opinion, but yeah. Polygon has made major progress towards its goal of becoming carbon negative in 2022 by offsetting the network's CO2 footprint, setting aside $20 million for climate projects, and hiring a sustainability lead. But the journey so far has been largely solitary one. The next step is to bring along the broader community on our mission to ensure the long-term sustainability of Web3. And just to clarify, this is coming directly from Polygon themselves. This is their blog. On July 13th, tomorrow, Polygon will host the Green Blockchain Summit, a virtual forum for Web3 leaders to develop solutions to the most urgent environmental problems facing the blockchain industry. The event will convene founders, operators, investors, academics, and more across Web3 and beyond, with discussions ranging from on-chain carbon credits and NFTs to climate narratives and lessons from other industries. Polygon's own sustainability story began in April when the core team announced its commitment to becoming carbon negative by the end of the year and committed $20 million to climate change. Since then, the protocol has retired 400,000 in carbon credits, representing 104,794 tons of greenhouse gases, or the entirety of the network's CO2 debt since inception. That's really cool, guys. Good for Polygon, good for Matic. I'm really excited to see that we're getting some green energy into the space. Let's get into the analytics, everyone. That's what you're here for. Let's check out the chart. Heading over here to tradeconfident.io, we scrolled down all the way down to Matic USD. Right here, you're going to see a very, very small bar to the top. It seems it's about 53 to 55% chance of a move down. Typically, we're not looking for major moves until the bars reach 80% or higher. Move downs can happen, but they tend to be smaller the smaller the percentage is. Also worth mentioning, long trades have been slightly decreasing over the past few days, with short trades slightly ticking up as well. Market cap is also rising. It's worth pointing out that this is likely because Matic's price continues to rise while most coins, including both Bitcoin and Ethereum, have dropped since last night. This is why the market cap has continued to move up. Overall, I'd say this is very slightly bearish information, keeping in mind that we're at the top of a resistance. We're getting very close to the end of a pattern, which I'll get to in just a second. Long trades are decreasing with short trades slightly increasing. Not terribly bearish. I'd still consider this mostly indecision, but it is slightly more bearish than it is bullish. Now, let's check out TradingView. Let's check out the price charts themselves. Right now, I'm looking at Matic USD on the 4-hour time frame, and if I scroll out a little bit here, you'll be able to see the full falling wedge pattern that we're in right now. Let's get a better view of that. Now, when using the trend exhaustion on the price versus well money flow, you're looking for the trend exhaustion to be in the top red section and the price versus well money flow to be high and moving down when we're looking for the price to move down. You can see it happened right here, it happened right here, and it happened right here. Both indicators were at the top and moved down, and it brought the price down along with it. Now, the opposite is true when we're looking to enter a long trade. We're looking for the indicators to be at the bottom sections and then moving up before we make our entries for longs. Right now, we're seeing both indicators towards the top, although the price versus well money flow is more in the middle. We're seeing indecision very similar as we saw in the metrics. Now, if we switch over to the one-day chart, this changes a lot more. If you see here, we are a lot more bearish on the one-day time frame, meaning over the next 1 to 6 days, we're likely to see moves down. We may see the price move up to this resistance level, but I do feel that we're going to break down similarly to how we saw many other coins over the last day or two break down as well. To back this up, we have a falling wedge pattern that started from a downtrend. Typically, this will be a continuation pattern and we'll see a breakdown. Based on the bearish sentiment from the metrics, indicators, and this pattern, where are we going to go next and how long is it going to take? When making a price prediction for a falling wedge pattern, what you're going to want to do is to make a vertical line from the top of the resistance to the very bottom of the support level right here. And then you're going to take that line and move it over to where it breaks out. I'm just going to put it right in the middle, right where the two lines, the support and resistance, converge. And the bottom of the line is where it is most likely to end up. So if we check right here, the price prediction is likely about 25 cents. Now, if we scroll back a little bit, we do have support levels at 29 cents. So what I'm looking for is likely for the price to fall between the range of 30 cents right here and 25 cents right here. I think we'll probably see the bottom for this sometime over the weekend. I give it about a week before any major huge moves happen here. With all that in mind, we would absolutely love to trade with you. I know a lot of people are feeling skeptical in these bear markets. So because of that, we do offer the Bitcoin metrics and trade setups for free. In order to try out a trade, all you have to do is head over to tradeconfident.io/metric charts, scroll down to Bitcoin. It's the very first one. You'll have access to the metrics and trade setups for Bitcoin for free. These metrics are updated daily at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and they provide fantastic risk management for your trades using a series of 4 buy limits to buy the dip as it falls. In order to sign up when you're ready, you're going to head over to pricing page. Scroll down and you're going to see trade setups and whale metrics for $95 a month. This will give you access to 16 coins along with our Telegram channel, masterclass educational classes, which are great for beginners and experts alike. You'll get access to our community chat where you can talk to like-minded traders. You'll see our inside tips. This is where we're going to be posting important and urgent market updates and trade setups as well as educational content. And last but not least, you'll gain access to our Inner Circle Zoom coaching meetings every single month. The next one's coming up on July 21st, and I hope to see you there. As for the indicators, you'll want to head over to tradeconfident.gumroad.com and click on Bundle and Save All Indicators. This bundle will give you all 9 of Trade Confident indicators for less than the price of 4. This is a fantastic deal, everyone. People have been making tons and tons of money using these indicators. All links can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I hope to see you in the next video.